Good morning, everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Jihan. I am 16 years old. Today, I want to tell you about my hobby. Everyone has a hobby. Some people like playing football, listening to music, playing games, watching movies, or cooking. But my hobby is a little different. My hobby is reading motorcycle and disassembling motorcycle. I really like motorcycle because I think motorcycle are interesting and there are many things that I can learn for them. I started becoming interesting in motorcycle because often I often saw motorcycle around me. At first, I was only interested in their appearance and the sound of the engine, but over time I became curious about what was inside a motorcycle and how it could move. I start asking myself questions like how the engine work, what makes the motorcycle move, and what happens if one the component has a problem. Because of my curiosity, I start learning more about motorcycle. I learned that a motorcycle has many different components, and every component has its own function. There is an engine, transmission, brakes, suspension, electrical system, wheels, and many other parts. All of these components work together to make the motorcycle work properly. One of my favorite activities is reading a motorcycle. I like reading because it is fun and relaxing when ride a motorcycle. I feel happy, especially when I read around my neighborhood. Understand eh, around neighborhood or go somewhere with my friends. However, I understand that reading a motorcycle also requires responsibility. We have to obey traffic rules, wear a helmet, control our speed, and always pay attention to the road. For me, reading motorcycle is not about reading as fast as possible. I think the most important thing is safety. We have to respect other people on the road and make sure that our motorcycle is in good condition before reading it. Besides reading motorcycle, I also really enjoy disassembling motorcycle. This is probably the most interesting part of my hobby. When I have free time, I like checking motorcycle component and trying to understand how they work. Sometimes I disassemble a curtain part, clean, check its condition, and then put it back together. When I disassemble a motorcycle, I have to be very careful. I cannot just remove everything without remembering where the parts belong. I need to pay attention to every component and sometimes I take picture or remember the patient the parts. After that I have to install them again correctly. This activity teaches me to be patient and careful. Sometimes I have difficulty removing a component or putting it back in the correct position. Sometimes I also make mistakes, but I do not give up easily. I try to find out what the problem is and how I can fix it. So, until again, my name is Jihan. I am 16 years old. My hobby is reading motorcycle and disassembling motorcycle. I enjoy learning about motorcycle component, cleaning them, checking them, and putting them back together. I also enjoy reading motorcycle, but I always do try prioritize safety and follow traffic rules. I hope can continue developing my hobby and learn more about motorcycle in the future. I believe that if we enjoy what we do and keep practicing, we can become better at it. That is about my hobby. Thank you very much for your attention.